also.
Fine. Now, hi Sridhar. Sridhar, today we need to go through the HTML. Manasa, let me go through the HTML. Manasa, can you tell what is HTML? What is HTML? Answer, it's a two-way communication class. Please try to interact with me. Tejashvi, what is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Sudhakar, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Fine. Next point. Satya, say this one. Why HTML? HTML is used to develop static web pages. Fine. Static web pages. All the people, I'm requesting all the people, please unmute and please try to interact with me. Fun. Learn within the class, not out of the class. Learn within the class itself. Fun. HTML is used to develop static web pages. Next one. Manasa, and another point. What is the latest version? What is the latest version? Latest version is the HTML 5.x. Here, the latest version is the HTML 5.x. Fine. And another pointer. Subhash will say this one. And one more thing. Now, is HTML tag-based markup language? Answer. Is HTML tag-based markup language?
Yes.
Yes, sir. HTML, Tejashvi. HTML is all the people. I'm requesting all the people. Please unmute and please try to interact with me. Only one expectation from my end. Within the class, you people need to learn. After the session, not after the session. Within the class, you people need to do it. Fun. HTML is the tag-based markup language. Mansa say this one. So many tags are there. For example, we have the P tag. We have an tag. The tag is the P tag. Fun. Why P tag? Why P tag? To display what? Paragraph or not? Satya, P tag is used to display the paragraph. Next one.
Paragraph.
Another thing is the here we have another tag. Here we have another tag. The tag is the table tag. Why table tag is used to display the tables? Sridhar, table tag is used to display the water. Sridhar, table tag is used to display the tables. Next one. For example, here we have another tag. And here we have another tag. What is the tag name? Form tag. Why form tag? Form tag is used to display the water. Display what Shilpa say this one. Form tag is used to display the forms like login form, enrollment form, registration form. Like this also, so many forms are there. Is used to display the forms. Next one, say this one. And another thing is Tejas say the another thing. For example, here we have the one more tag. Which tag? Here we have another tag. Which tag? HTML tag. So what is a HTML tag? HTML tag is the root section. HTML tag representing the root section. And like this also, so many tags are there. We have the number of tags like a paragraph tag, table tag, form tag, HTML tag, line break and series one. For example, we have the one more tag. What is the tag? BR tag. So what is the BR tag? BR tag is nothing but line break. BR tag is nothing but line break. And here we have the another tag. And here we have another tag here. What is the tag here? HR tag. HR stands for horizontal rule. Horizontal rule. HR stands for what? Horizontal rule. Shilpa say this one. For example, is it your opening tag? Shilpa, respond. Sridhar, is it your opening tag? Yes. Is it your closing tag? Team respond. Is it your closing tag? Yes. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Fun. Coming to here. Is it contain any closing tag? Team, all the people. Never be in a muted mode. Is it contain any closing tag? No. Team, I'm requesting you. You should learn within the class itself only. Fun. Is it contain any closing tag? No. So finally, tags divided into two groups. Tejashvi, Tags are divided into how many groups? Two groups. One is the, what is the first one? Paired tags. Paired tags, or otherwise we can call container tags. Paired tags, or otherwise we can call container tags. Next one is the, see the second one. The second one is the non-paired tags. What is the second one? Non-paired tags or non-container tags. Non-paired tags and non-container tags. Fun. Yeah, Shilpa, tell me, tags are divided into how many types?
Two
Respond.
types,
Two types. First one.
non-paired tags and non-container tags.
First one. What is the first one?
Paid
Second
contain,
one.
non-paid tags.
Paired contain both opening tag
Yeah,
and
we are opening and closing tag.
non-paired tag contain
Only open tag.
opening tag. Only opening tag, no closing tag. Yes or not?
Yeah.
And another thing. And another thing is the, let me go through the another point here. Let me go through the another point here, and here I need to go through the one more point. Fine. Sridhar, try to say this one and one more point. Sridhar, one more point. Let me go through the another point here. Fine.
It seems he
Here
can't hear
we
you.
must.
Sorry to start.
Ah,
Yes. Sridhar has just pinged that he can't hear you.
Tejashvi, maybe the problem from the Sridhar side itself. Maybe some issue.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe say this one. And another thing. Fine. While saving HTML code, Sudhakar, while saving HTML code, extensions are .html or .htm. Correct. Satya, we need to save the HTML code now. Satya says
Yes.
we need to
Yes.
save the HTML code. While saving HTML code, the extensions are .html or .htm. Fine. Mansa say this.
Right.
While saving CSS files, the extension is .css. What is the extension? .css. Next one, Tejas will say this one. While saving JavaScript code,
Dot
the
JS.
extension is the, what is the extension? .js. Sridhar, repeat again here. Fine. I think Sridhar facing the issue. Mansa say this one. While saving HTML code, what are the possible extensions? Mansa, what are the possible extensions? .html or .htm. Shilpa, say this one. While saving CSS files, what is the extension? .css. Next
.css.
one. While saving JavaScript files, what is the extension? .js.
.js.
Fine. Next one. And another point. How to execute HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So to execute HTML code, CSS code, and JavaScript code, we need to dependent on browsers. Browsers are used to execute the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Mansa series one. Browsers are used to execute the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Fine. Now try to say this one. So what are the examples for the browsers? And here we have the example for the browsers. The browsers are the which browser? Google Chrome.
Google,
one,
Chrome, Mozilla,
Microsoft Edge.
Opera. Next one, Netscape browser. Next one is the
Edge.
Edge browser. Like this also, so many browsers are there. So many browsers. So with the help of browsers only, we are able to execute HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Fine. And another thing, and one more point I need to tell. Fine. Yeah. Do you know comments? Have you heard about comments? Are you people okay, or do I need to go slow? Let me know the feedback.
Okay,
This,
sir.
Okay.
this frequency okay na?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, see this one. Comments. Let me go for the comments. So what are the comments? Commented code won't execute. Commented code won't execute. Won't execute by home browsers. So this is the first point. Second point, why comments increases the readability. Sridhar, why comments increases the readability. Fine. Yeah, Kalyan. So this one comments increases what? Readability. So coming to the HTML. So what is the syntax of HTML comment? Less than, not, minus minus, minus minus, and a minus minus greater than. So this is the syntax for HTML comment. Next one. See the another thing here. Fine. Coming to the CSS. So what is the comment? Slash, star, star, slash. This one we can call CSS comment. Next one. And another thing. Coming to the JS. Coming to the JS. JS supports two types of comments. Manasa, JS supports how many types of comments? How many types of comments? Two types of comments. So first one is the single line comment. First one is the single line comment. So how to represent the single line comment? Forward slash, forward slash, forward slash, representing single line comment. Fine. Second one. Second one is the see the second one here. Second one is the multi-line comment here. And here we have another thing here, multi-line comment. So what is the multi-line comment here? And here we need to go for the multi-line comment here. Slash, star, star, slash. Fine. Shilpa, can you please explain again here? Are you able to explain again here? Fine. You people need to tell. Fine. Commented code. Commented code want to execute by
Won't be executed by browsers.
advantages of comments.
Yeah.
Mm.
Readability.
Readability. Code readability increases. Next one. Fine. This is syntax representing. This is syntax representing team responder. This is syntax
Commenting.
representing HTML comment. Which
Commenting
comment? HTML.
HTML.
Next one. This is syntax representing Satya.
CSS.
Syntax representing CSS comment.
CSS.
Fine. JS supports how many types of comments?
Two types of comment.
comments. First one,
Single line comment.
This is syntax representing the single line comment. This is syntax representing
Multi-line comment.
multi-line comment. This is syntax we can call single line comment. And this is syntax we can call multi-line comment. But are you people okay? Are you people okay? Yeah.
Yes,
Can I ask
Yes,
the
sir.
random questions up to now? Can I ask the random questions up to now? Fine. What is HTML? Team reply. What is
hypertext markup
Hypertext markup
markup
language.
language? Point number 2. Why HTML?
static web pages.
Static web pages. HTML used to develop the static web pages. What is the latest version?
5.x.
HTML 5.x. HTML 5.x. Fun. May know the extensions for HTML pages. Extensions for
Dot
HTML.
HTML.
Dot HTML.
Dot HTML.
Dot HTML.
Not HTML. Not HTML or dot HTML. Fun. May know the extensions for CSS files.
Dot CSS.
Dot
Yes.
May know the extension for JavaScript files.
Dot JS.
JS.
How many types of tags?
Two
Two
types.
types.
Two types of tags. First one,
Paid tags or
Paid and
contained.
non-paid.
paid tags. Second one,
Non-paid or
Non-paid.
non-contained.
Example for paid tag.
Paragraph.
Paragraphs
table.
and table
Form,
forms. Yeah.
table, so many things. Example for non-paid tag.
Break.
Break,
Line breaks and
line
horizontal.
breaks.
so many things. Fun. Is a commented code execute or won't execute?
Won't execute.
Won't execute. Advantages of comment.
Readability.
The readability.
increases. Readability increases. Fun. Sridhar, I think Sridhar still unable to listen. Fun. And another thing, and one more point. To develop a code, I want to develop the code. I want to develop HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript code. Fun. To develop a code, we need IDE. Fine. Which one is required? IDE. IDE stands for what?
Integration development environment.
Integrated, ma'am. Integrated development.
Development environment.
Development environment. Integrated development environment. So, which IDE is a suggested IDE? Can you answer? which ID
Eclipse, VS Code,
VS Code. VS Code
Yeah.
stands for, can you tell VS Code stands for what?
Visual Studio Code.
Visual Studio Code. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. Fine. Now, and see this one. VS Code released by one company. What is the company name? Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Is it a open source IDE or commercial? Open source IDE.
Open source.
Open source IDE. And recommended for which one? Web development. Recommended for what? Web development. Like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React, Stack, Node.js. Recommended for the web development here. Yes or not? Fine. Now I hope you people have the VS Code. Fine. If you people won't have the VS Code, then you need to download the VS Code. Now see this one. You people need to select what? Mac. If you people are using the Mac, simply you need to choose Mac. Or if you people are choosing the Windows, you need to click the Windows. Team, I'm requesting you, please download and install the software. Please download and install. If you people already have, ignore it. And please install and give the thumbs up symbol. Then I need to go for the next point.
I already installed it.
Yeah. Satya, just to give the 5 minutes of time. Remaining people, they will install it.
Sure.
Yeah, whoever completed, please give the thumbs up symbol, then I can get the clarity. Team everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please download and install the software. Subhash, Tejashvi, everyone.
Sir,
Silpa,
2
Max.
minutes, sir.
Yeah, everyone.
It's
రామశివరావు గారు
Yes, sir. Sridhar garu.
క్వశ్చన్ అంతకుముందు ఎక్లిప్సే వాడేవాళ్ళం కదా బాగా. ఇప్పుడు రీసెంట్ గా విజువల్ స్టూడియో ఎప్పుడు సపోర్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు జావాకి?
సార్ వెబ్కి వచ్చేసి శ్రీధర్ గారు, వెబ్కి వచ్చేసి VS కోడే సార్. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి కూడా వెబ్కి వచ్చేసి VS కోడే. ఫైన్, బట్ ఐ హోప్ ఎక్లిప్స్
జావా లైబ్రరీస్ వస్తాయి దాంతో పాటు?
ఏందండి?
జావా లైబ్రరీస్ వస్తాయా లేకపోతే జావా సపరేట్ ఇన్స్టాల్?
ఓన్లీ వెబ్ అండి. తర్వాత మనం జావా స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు దాన్ని వి నీడ్ టు గో ఫర్ ద ఇదండి స్ప్రింగ్ టూల్ సూట్ పవర్ఫుల్ ఐడి, లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఎక్లిప్స్.
ఓకే, సో మనం ఇంకో ఐడి యూజ్ చేస్తాం అప్పుడు.
అవునవునండి.
మామూలు రియల్ టైమ్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ లో
VS Code. VS Code. Even though if you join in the organization, if you are the front-end developer, suggested ID is the VS Code. And if you are the back-end developer, suggested ID is the STS, Spring Tool Suite. In offices also, we are using the same thing. STS is the upgraded version of Eclipse.
ఓకే.
You may ask one question. In Eclipse also, we can build the applications. Yes, we can develop the HTML application, but not user-friendly. Not usually heavyweight. Eclipse is the too much heavyweight IDE. So the suggested in the real time also VS Code only. Team done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Can I continue, team, or do I need to wait 2 more minutes of time? Subhash Kalyan.
Sir, I just downloaded the VS Code.
And install it.
Yeah. We need to set up the Copilot.
Not required. If you're interested, then set up it. Otherwise, ignore it.
Okay. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, completed, sir.
Completed. Remaining team members. Can I continue, or do I need to wait for 2 more minutes of time? Team, give the confirmation, because the thing is in online class, everyone need to do along with me. You people need to learn along with me. Application oriented. Then we need to put the focus on the project level. Sudhakar, can I continue?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, fine. Now say this one. For example, this is the VS Code. Now let me open the VS Code. Fine. In a VS Code, we need to add one plugin. Let me add one plugin. How to add the plugin? Try to say this one. Here we have extensions. Team, everyone. Here we have extensions. Fine. In extensions, you people need to search live server. Search the live server. Click the live server. Fine. Other is the Ritvik De. And you people need to click install. Install. Live server continuously monitoring the application changes and reloads the browser. Live server continuously monitoring the code changes, HTML code changes, CSS code changes, JavaScript code changes. And based on the changes, browser will reload automatically. Then that one we can call live server. Live server. Simply, you people need to click install. Add this plugin. The plugin is the live server plugin. Fine. Team, I'm requesting you, please add the live server plugin. The other also Ritvik Day. Don't install any other. It's recommended to go for the Ritvik Day. Team, complete enough?
Yes, completed.
Yes. Now say this one. And another thing. Shilpa, see the another thing. Okay? And one more thing is the add another plugin. I need to add another plugin. The plugin is the dummy text generator. Just search it. You need to search it. Dummy text generator. It is used to add the random content. To add random content, we have one plugin. That plugin we can call dummy text generator. One other is the Pure Era. Please install it.
Solved.
Team completed now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now try to say this. And the thing that we need to close it. Try to close it up. Next one. Team enable auto save. I want to enable auto save. So for example, whatever the code I'm typing, the code will save automatically. Auto save means whatever the code I'm typing, the code will save automatically. How? Try to say this one. Now, here we have the file na. Team say this one. Here what we have? File. And here you need to enable auto save. One. Team doing that one. Please do this one. Please enable auto save also. So what is auto save? Whatever the code I am typing, the code will save automatically. Please enable auto save. Go to the file. You people need to go to the file and click auto save. Team completed now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I continue? Yes, let me continue. Fine. Now close the ID. Team, how I am doing, I'm requesting you people, please do like this one because I need to move code to the GitHub. So just to follow the same procedure, whatever I am doing in my laptop, you people need to do the same thing. Fine. For example, here in the desktop, I wanted to create one folder. The folder is the, see this one, Java full stack development. Java full stack development, I wanted to place 7 a.m. Here I wanted to place a Java full stack development 7 a.m. I need to create one folder. Now I need to click the create button. Create one folder because folder I wanted to move to GitHub in the future. So that's why I'm requesting you people need to create one folder, perfect folder. Java full stack development 7 a.m. Fine. Next one here. Now, team, what is the IDE? VS Code now? Respond team. What is the
Yeah,
IDE?
sir.
VS Code.
VS
Now we
Code.
need to go to VS Code. Fine. Now, here, go through the file. Go through the file. Go through the open folder. Go through the open folder. Go through the desktop. Go through the desktop. Go through the Java full stack development 7am. Whatever the folder you created, I'm requesting you people need to open that folder. You people need to open that folder. Fine. Team, I'm requesting you, please open that folder. Vasu. Fine. I'm requesting you, create one folder and open that folder. So how to open the folder? Go to the file. Go to the open folder. Go to the open folder and go to the desktop and go to the Java full stack development 7am. You people need to open the folder. Vasu, can you talk with me? Kumud Vasuna?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Hi.
I hope you joined it 15 minutes late, na? No, sure.
Yeah, so my candidate joined, so I just wanted to see how it is.
Okay, fine. Team, everyone. Subhash, Tejashvi, just to do the process like this. Just to open the folder. Whatever the folder we created, open that folder in a VS Code because In the future, we want to move this code to GitHub to AWS server. So that's why I'm requesting you open the folder.
Yes, sir. Done.
Continue, Sudhakar, Manasa, Satya, Shilpa, respond. Can I continue?
Yes, it's
Yes,
done.
Please
sir.
unmute. Team,
Yes,
please
sir. It's
unmute.
done.
Please unmute in the
Yes, sir.
classic
Yes.
phone. You need to learn it. Fine. Next one. Here, create new file. I want you to create the new file. The file name is the demo.html. May I know extension? What is the extension?
That is HTML.
What is the
HTML,
extension?
not
Dot
HTML.
HTML. The file name is the demo.html. Create the new file. Don't to create a new folder. You people need to create a new file. The file name is the demo.html. Fine. Team, please create the demo.html. Now, observe this one here. Fine. Still, if you people are doing it, then hold it here. Then listen the session, and I will give the sufficient time. Then you can practice along with me. Fine. Each HTML page contain doc type. Say this one. This one we can call doc type. Fine. This doc type representing latest version. So what is the latest version? HTML5. HTML5 here. And point number 3. Browsers only understands this doc type. Fine. So I told the 3 points. See this one. Each HTML page contains what? Sudhakar, each HTML page contains what? Doc type. Sridhar responder. Each HTML page contain doc type. Next one. Here, whatever the doc type is there. So this is the doc type. This is the doc type representing latest version. So what is the latest version? HTML5. And another pointer. Browsers only understands this doc type. Who will understand this doc type? Browsers. Fun. Can I write the comment also here? Tim, can I write the comment also?
Yes.
It will be easy for you.
Yes.
It's fun. Each document starts with what? Starts with the doc type. Fun. And another pointer. Below doc type representing what? Whatever the doc type is there. Below doc type representing latest version. So that is what? That is the HTML 5.x. And another thing, who will understand the doc type? Who will understand?
Browsers.
Tell me. Browsers only. Browsers only understands doc type. Fun. And one more point I need to tell. And one more point is let me go through the another point. I will go through the one more important point. For example, I forget to place the doc type. Browser automatically place the HTML5 doc type. So this is the default. For example, I forget to place it here. Even if you forget to place, browser automatically inserts the doc type. Fine. Now try to say this one. Here, HTML5 doc type is the HTML5 doc type is the default doc type. Default doc type. Very, very important point, sir. Fine. And another thing. Every web page contain the root section. Fine. How to create a root section? Sudhakar, how to create a root section? HTML tag. HTML tag representing the root section. Fine. See this one, Sridhar. Root section divided into 2 sections. So what is the first section? Head section.
Header.
So what is the second section? Body section.
Body.
So Sudhakar, please explain again here. How to create a root section? HTML tag. Sudhakar, how to create root section? HTML tag. Team, all the people, please respond here. Within the classroom, you people need to turn on. Subhash, root section divided into?
And
Yes.
Subhash, root section divided into 2 Two sections.
sections.
So what is the first section?
Head,
Head,
Section.
Head
What is the
section
second section?
and body section.
body.
Body section. Okay, fun. Team, try to say this one. Why head section? Head section is used to define the metadata. Why head section, team? Why head section? Head section is used to define the metadata. Metadata. So what is the metadata? Data about a web page. Say this one. For example, this is one web page. This is one web page. See this one. Who created this web page? Vendor. What is the use of this web page? Description. And what is the version? And like this also a lot of information is there. This information we can call metadata. This information what we call metadata. Data about a web page. Data about a web page we can call metadata. For example, who is the vendor of the web page? What is the description of the web page? And what is the version of the web page? Then this information we can call metadata. We will define that metadata under the head section of web page. Under which section? Head section. Fine. To define metadata, we have one tag. The tag is the meta tag. What is the tag name? Tim, tell me what is the tag name? The tag name is the meta tag. Meta tag is used to define the metadata. Fun. And another pointer. To define main content, we have one more section. That section we can call body section. That section what we call body section. Fun. Team, someone take the responsibility. Please explain all the points again here. You people need to. Otherwise, random level ask. Please tell me here. Fun. Satya, try to say this one here. Can you explain few points related to doc type? Satya, few points related to doc type. First one.
Every document must starts with the doc type.
Doc type.
So doc type will represent what is the latest version of HTML. It defines the latest version.
Yes.
So every browser understands the doc type.
Google Chrome, Mozilla, something is there, na? Understands what
Right.
doc type.
Google
Which
Chrome,
one is
Edge,
the which one is the default doc type?
5.x.
Yeah, and another thing. Shilpa, please tell me here. Root section starts with the Shilpa,
HTML
respond.
tag.
Root section starts with what? HTML tag.
HTML tag.
Root section divided into
Two sections,
two sections. So what is the first section?
head section and
Head
body
section.
section.
What is the second section? Body section.
Body section.
And another thing. Subhash, where to define a metadata? Subhash, where to define the metadata? Metadata, Subhash. Under the
Head section.
section.
Head
Where
section.
to define main content?
Body section.
Under the body section, we need to define the
Under the body
main
section.
content.
Yeah.
We need to define which one? Main content. Okay, fun. Yeah. Team, all the people try to say this one. Shubhash say, Silpa say this one. I want to define title. How to define the title? Title tag.
Using title.
Title, we need to place the demo. The title of this web page. The title of this web page is the demo. What is the title of the web page? Demo. Fine. Next one, Tejas say this one. And another thing is the I want to define author. I want to define author. So how to define author? Meta. What is the tag name? Meta. Here we have an attribute. Attribute is the name. Say this one. We have an attribute here. What is the attribute? Name. Name equal to what? Author. And content. Content equal to I wanted to place career ID. So what is the content here? The content is the career ID. So try to say this one. The author of this web page. So this is the web page. The author of this web page is the career ID. Can you tell who is the author of this web page? Career ID. How to define the author here? With the help of which tag? Meta tag. Fine. Satya, see this one. And another thing. And another thing is the I wanted to define description. I wanted to define description. So how to define description? We need to define the description. Okay. So how to define description? Meta. Meta name equal to what? Meta name equal to description. Meta name equal to what? Team, tell me. Meta name equal to description. and the content equal to, say this one here, training classes at career ID, training classes at career ID. So this is the description of the web page. This is what description of the web page. Fine. Team, don't feel the bore here. Please answer here. How to define the metadata? Tell me how to define the metadata. Meta tag. Silpa, is it a parity tag or non-parity tag?
Non-pairing.
Non-parity
Non-parity.
tag here. Shilpa, what is the first attribute?
Name.
Name. What is the second attribute?
Content.
Content. The first attribute is the name. Here we have the first attribute. The first attribute is the name. The second attribute is the, what is the second attribute? Second attribute is the content. The first attribute is the name and second attribute is the content. Content here. And another thing is the, try to say this one. And another point is the, we need to define keywords. We need to define keywords. Let me define the keywords. And let me define the keywords. So why these keywords? These keywords helps in SEO. Fine. Team, do you people know SEO? What is the SEO? Search engine. Tell me. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. Fine. Define keywords. These keywords helps in search engine optimization. Search engine optimization are also called as what? SEO. Are also called as what? SEO. So how to handle this one? How to handle this one? Fine. Here, meta, Sridhar, guess it. Guess it here. Meta name equal to, answer. Meta name equal to what? Keywords. And content equal to some keywords. Sridhar, guess it. Some keywords. The keywords are the HTML underscore career ID. Not only this one, you can place anything. HTML underscore career ID. Next one, CSS underscore career ID. Next one, here, JS underscore career ID. Like this also, whatever the keywords we required, that keywords we need to define here. Finally, these keywords helpful in SEO operations. SEO in the sense what? Search engine optimization. Fine. Are you feeling like difficulty, team? Team,
No.
are you feeling like difficulty?
No.
No, no. Can I continue?
But
Yes.
Can I continue? Or do I
Yes,
need
sir.
to put one again?
Yes, sir.
Let me continue here. I need you to continue. For example, say this one more very important point. I have one web page. So this is my web page. Demo.html. Team, as a real-time developer, you people need this stuff. Very, very important. As a real-time people, you people need this much of knowledge. This much of knowledge you people need. Fine. For example, my HTML page is the demo.html. This demo.html, I want to run in mobile phone without any issue. The same HTML file I want to run in tablet. The same HTML file I want to run in laptop. The same HTML file I want to run in desktop. The same HTML file I want to run in smart TV. Smart TV without any problem. Here. Fine. Team, what is the name of the web page? Team, what is the name of the web page? Demo.html.
Demo.html.
Run into where? Mobile phone. Run into where? Tablet. Run into where? Laptop. Run into where? Desktop. Run into where? Smart TV. Run into smart TV without any problem. So how to run it? To run, we need to define metadata here. We people need to define metadata. That the metadata technically we can call viewport. That metadata technically what do you call? Viewport. Fine. So how to define? Here, meta, Tim guess it. Meta name equal to what? Meta name equal to viewport. And content equal to width equal to device minus width. Device minus what? Device minus width. Next one. Here we need to place initial scale. Initial scale equal to 1.0. Initial scale equal to 1.0. Fun. Team, think logically. Then you people need to think a little bit logically here. Fun, try to see this one. Shilpa, is it a HTML5? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I run this HTML code in a mobile phone, I have the mobile phone. I want to run this HTML code into mobile phone. If I run in a mobile phone, width equal to automatically mobile phone width. Automatically which one? Mobile phone width. Fun. And another thing is the if I run this code into tab, I think we are using the tab. Automatically width equal to tab width. Width equal to what? Tab width. For example, if I run this code into laptop, width equal to automatically laptop screen width. So this device width dynamically changes. Whatever the device width is there, that device width dynamically changes. If I run this HTML code into desktop, width equal to automatically desktop width. So is it fixed or changed based on the devices? Team, is it fixed or changes? Are reply?
It changes.
It changes.
Depends on the device.
Changes.
Yeah, based on the device, the width automatically configured. And another thing is the initial scale equal to 1.0. Team, what is the meaning of initial scale equal to 1.0? Fun. No zooming. Like the zoom effect now. With our fingers, we are increasing the zoom, we are decreasing the zoom now. Initial scale equal to 1.0 means no zoom, default zoom. For example, if I place the 2.0, automatically the content will be zoomed on a particular device. The content will be zoomed on a particular device. For example, if I place the 1.0, what is the meaning of 1.0? No zooming, default zooming only. So that is the meaning of initial scale equal to 1.0. See, team, the same question I faced in Cognizant. While working with the Cognizant, the same question faced by me in the interview panel. Very, very important. Especially they asked the same question. What is the meaning of initial scale equal to 1.0? So team, can you answer here? No zoom.
No zoom.
No zoom. Default zoom.
No zoom.
Fun. Team, if you people are feeling difficulty in this area, then I need to explain. Can I explain again or can I continue?
Continue, sir.
Can I continue, team? All the people,
Yes.
everyone need to be happy. Everyone should be happy here. Fine. Next one. Say this one, guys. Fine. Now we are learning HTML. Now we are learning the HTML here. Fine. We can develop HTML in multi languages. Team, don't think only English. I think this is English or whatever we are typing, that is English here. For example, if you check Saudi or Qatar at that places, they are developing HTML code in Arabic also. Like instead of this HTML, they will write Arabic code. They are developing HTML code in Arabic language. So finally, our HTML supports multi languages and multi symbols. Multi languages and multi symbols. So how to tell that information? How to indicate that information? Then that information we can call. Char setter. That information what we call? Char setter. So how to set the char setter? Meta, say this one. Char set equal to UTF minus 8. Meta char set equal to UTF minus 8. Meta char set equal to UTF minus 8. So team, try to say this one. What is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is our HTML supports multiple languages and multiple symbols. So that is the meaning of the meta char set equal to meta char set UTF equal to 8. Fine. Next one. Team, can I go to the next point?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
To the next point. Yes, try to say this one here. Fine. Now, like refresh. I need the refresh feature. Well, team, try to say this one. While watching cricket, the score updates or not? Shubhasha, The score updates automatically or not? Tejashvi respond. While watching cricket,
Yes,
I
yes.
wanted to watch the cricket. While watching the cricket, the score for every 5 minutes. For every 5 minutes, the score updates or not? The score updates. Same thing.
Updates.
Otherwise, say this one. Weather temperature. While watching the weather temperature, for every 5 minutes, the web application will refresh. Assume care. Fine. This is my HTML page. This is my HTML page. My HTML page also, I wanted to refresh for every 5 seconds. I wanted to refresh for every 5 seconds to see the latest information. To see which information? Latest information. So how to handle it? I need to handle it. How we need to handle it here? Here we need to place meta HTTP EQ. Meta HTTP EQ equal to refresh. Meta, what is the attribute here? Team, what is the attribute here? HTTP EQ. Meta HTTP EQ equal to what? Refresh. Next one. Here we need to place another thing is the content equal to 5 seconds. Content equal to what? 5 seconds. Automatically my web page refreshes for every 5 seconds. Refreshes for what? For every 5 seconds. Fine. Now, so team, let me run the code. I need to run the code here, then you can get the clarity here. Right click. Team, what is the option we have?
Open with
Open
live
Live
server.
server.
Don't fill the board. How to run the code? Right click. Which one? Open with the
Nice.
Live.
otherwise.
Open with the live server.
Otherwise, right side we have an option. What is the option? Go live.
Go live.
Right side we have an option. What is the option here? Go live. Now I need to click the go live. Anything. Go live or open with the live server. Fine. Team, try to say this one here. And another thing is the right click inspector. Right click, which one we need to click? Inspector. Now here. Team, check the HTML code. Then it will refresh automatically. Try to say this one. Yes. Team, are you observing? The page is refreshing or not?
Refreshing.
Yes. When? For every 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
For every 5 seconds to fetch latest information from the HTTP servers. Fine. Are you happy with this one? Are you people expecting anything from me in this explanation?
This is good.
Okay, now.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Can
it's
I ask
good.
the random questions? Then I will ask the random
Wha-
questions. Then I will
Why
answer.
the cat said I have only like one
Yeah, meaning is the Satya. Satya, the meaning is the you are asking the what is the car set na? The meaning is the our HTML code, our HTML language supports multi languages. For example, default is the English. Satya. For example, if you take some Qatar people or Saudi Arabia developers, they're writing HTML code in the like Arabic language. At that time, this line is mandatory. For our people, this line is not mandatory because that is a default line. Whoever developing HTML code in other languages except English, at that time, compulsory, we need to place this one. Then only it will execute. Then only browser will execute. Otherwise, the browser won't execute. Got it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Who asked it? Satya or Sridhar?
Actually, my question was like why it's have only one element instead of like all other ones have like
I
name and
think,
content, right?
yeah, got it. Sridhar, you were asking like, sorry, here we have the two attributes, but here
Yes, yes.
only one attribute. I think the W3, the company given like that. The company
That's
given like that here, no more option. I think they given the standards like that. Okay,
Got it, got it.
no internal logic for this one. Just a language support. That's it. Fine. Team
Okay.
can ask the last. Team can ask the 5 minutes rough and tough kind of questions in the whatever we discussed today. Can ask the questions. Fine. Where to define metadata?
Didn't head
In
tag.
head
All the
section.
people, not only, not on Tejashvi, all the people. Only Tejashvi respond. Shilpa,
Heads-
Subhash,
heads
respond.
section.
Please respond. Kalyan, respond. Fine. Where to
In
define
head
the
section.
data?
Under head section.
Head section. Is a meta tag paired or non-paired?
Non-paired.
Non-paired.
None.
Non-paired. Non-paired. Is our HTML supports multi-languages?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In a meta section, can I define SEO keywords?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we
Yes.
can define them. In a meta section, can I define author name?
Yes.
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 In a
Yes,
meta section, is it possible to define description of the web page?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
we can
sir.
define our meta. Fine. Yeah. By using meta section, can I refresh web page in a particular intervals of time?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
In
And
seconds.
where to define main content? Where to
Body.
define main
Body
content?
tag.
Body
Body.
section.
Body.
Body section. So what is the default doc type? What is the
HTML.
HTML 5.1.
less than HTML5 doc type? Yes or no? If I forget to place the doc type, browser automatically place the doc type.
Content.
Doc
The
type.
latest
Next
doc
one.
type.
And another thing is the and who will understands the doc type?
Browser.
Browsers.
Browsers. Who will understand the doc type? Browsers. Yes or not? And how to create a root section?
HTML. Under
HTML
HTML
tag.
tag.
Root section divided into how many sections?
Two.
Two
sections.
tag.
Two
Two
sections.
sections.
Two sections.
First section,
Head.
Head
Head.
section.
and
Second section.
Body.
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 Yeah, the first section is the head section. The second section is the what is the second section? The second section is the body section. Okay.
Body
Yeah.
section.
Section. The first section is the head section. The second section is the body section. Okay. Okay, now fine. Now, team, can you please go through up to now? Yeah, team, in our laptop, can you type this code? Can you type this code in our laptop?
Yes.
Respond. Please take the 5 to 10 minutes
Yes,
of time. And please try to type the code as this code. It's a hands-on required now. It's a hands-on required again. Now, in the chat box also, I'm sharing the file. I sent the file also, whatever the file is there, I sent the file also. Team, in our laptop, type the code now. Just to take the 10 minutes of time and type the code. But the practicals are important now. Can I go with the same frequency, team?
Yes. It's good.
And everyone in our laptop, please type the code. Please type the code and execute the code. In the chat box, I shared the file. Please download that file and please save into any one of the folder, your local folder, something. It's a backup kind of thing, backup file. Fine. Ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, after the 10 minutes, please enter the meeting because the team are developing the application. Lakshmi ma'am, are you there now? Yeah, after the 10 minutes, please end the meeting after completing the practical session. And tomorrow I need to go for the new topic. Team, please sharp at 7 o'clock team. Tomorrow onwards, I will plan to take up to the 1.5 hour. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
No more demo sessions. Let me continue with the content because our target is the content now. So let me go for the content directly. Tomorrow directly I need to go for the headings or something I need to discuss. Fine. If any problem like a speed or catching, I think whoever listening the first time, just to give the confirmation to me, sir, I'm the new member. Can you please go a little bit slow? If you ask me, then I will go for the slow. If you are able to follow the speed, I'm very happy. Otherwise, if you people are facing like a difficulty with the sync, like a speed, then let me know, then I will go with the little bit slow.
Yeah, it's done, sir.